In this video, you'll learn another language construct that uses question mark, a safe way to cast an expression to a type. There is a typical pattern in Java when you can check whether the variable is of specific type, then you can cast it to this type, and afterwards you can call members of this type or on this new variable. In Kotlin, you can do the same, is an analog of instance of. However, the explicit cast, as is this typecast, it's not needed because you can simply use this any variable afterwards because it's smart cast to the right type. So you can simply call members on it. The thing here is that it can be further improved because you can use safecast here if you want for some use cases. It will be useful, and you can replace it with safecast. Safecast returns you either the value of the right type, of the right type, or null as a result. So safecast, it's either the same variable or null if it's not of the right type. Another way to put this, to express the same logic, would be use if expression explicitly, again returning the expression or null. To better understand the difference between safecast and the cast to a nullable type, the next task for you, not here, but in the browser, in the Kotlin Playground, you can declare the variable so that the first line prints null and the second one throws an exception. So after the video, you can go there and implement this task to understand how actually the safecast works. Now you know how to use safe operators in Kotlin, the ones that allow you to return null if something went wrong instead of throwing an exception. The same approach might be beneficial in regular code as well. For instance, you may prefer to call a function to int or null on string, which returns you nullable value as a result, instead of calling a function to string, which can throw an exception. That mostly concludes our discussion about nullable types in Kotlin. We'll later also discuss how you can mix nullable types and Java. But for now, the next big topic for this module is functional programming.